Hey, knowledge is power, and research takes a long time. This use of AI is one that every business should be using. Roll the intro. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own version of this system so you can start reaping the benefits and learning faster right now. If you're new here, I'm Adrian, founder of Evolve One, an AI agency helping you save time and money with artificial intelligence automation. I post weekly ways for you to get the most out of AI, so subscribe for more and crush it with me in the AI revolution. Whether it is SBIR grants, multiple sclerosis, or your favorite stocks, there are endless amounts of research that you could be doing on the internet to learn what can make you money, can help you help others, enrich your life. But this kind of work can be very time consuming. The internet is packed with distractions that make you dumber and add no value, tons of AI generated garbage, and lots of very valuable information. But synthesizing this and doing all that clicking around the internet is very consuming, and it's something that we don't have to be doing anymore. In this video, we're going to be building a team of AI agents that research these valuable pieces of information while we sleep. And they work completely throughout the week to generate a report for us on Monday with as much value as freaking possible. So let's do it. Enough talking, let's start building. Let's move to the tutorial section of the video.
Welcome to the tutorial section of the video. In this part, we'll be building a double agent system using Relevance AI and Airtable. Step 1, setting up Relevance AI. Head over to relevanceai.com or use the link in the description. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one. It only takes about 3 minutes. So in the description of this video, there is a link to cloning both of the agents. I've set them up 90%, so you can do that last 10%. Go ahead and clone the research agent first, and you should arrive at a page that looks like this. And from there, you are going to click on Build. And you'll have to set up your Reddit account first. So you'll do this by hitting Continue, and it's going to ask you for a client ID and a client secret. So we'll show you how to do that. Head to the link that it gives you and create an app. Name it whatever you want, and then paste the redirect URL from the instructions into the box. And then from there, you can create the app, and it will give you the secret and the client ID from before. So here it is. Copy and paste them both in, and your Reddit account will be connected. Once we've done that, it should say something this where you can click Allow, and it will successfully connect the account. The next thing we're going to do is go to the Daily Research Airtable tool. Once we've opened it, we're going to go to airtable.com and set up a base. So if you don't have an account, make one. It's also super easy, so don't worry. Sign in with Google, and then name your new base Daily Research. And you only need one field, which should be a long text field. And from there, go to the Builders Hub, and we need two things. We need an API key and a URL. So we're going to grab an API key, we're going to call it Research Team, we're going to add these 3 scopes and make it work for all the bases in your account. Create the token, and then copy that and paste it into the tool. So there'll be a section that says Insert API Key here. So you're going to want it to say bearer, and then space, and then the API key you just had. So copy it in there. Next, we're going to grab the URL by going to Developer Docs, then Web API. Select the base that we're working with and scroll down to Create Records. There, in Create Records, that URL is the one that we are going to paste into the tool where it says Insert URL here. Go ahead and test the tool to make sure data is flowing to the Airtable. So now the tool is all set up, you can save it, head back to the prompt, and we're going to add a trigger. So we're going to have this agent do research starting at 2 a.m. every day. So every 24 hours, it will do a new research on the internet. Next, we'll go over to variables and make sure that we have it all to our liking. This is for me, but of course you're going to put whatever you want here. Then we need to go in and customize the prompt for exactly what we want our use case to be. So that's what you'll see me doing here. You can be really creative and get the most out of the agent by giving it good instructions here and testing it with different prompts. So now you've got the agent pretty much set up. Give it a run, and when it's finished, it should come up with something that looks like this. Lots of links. That means it's working properly. So now what you can do is you can head over to the second agent and get that one set up just like the first one. So a bit of a different process, but pretty much the same. So we need to connect Airtable by adding an account. So we're going to add the account just like this, and then add all the bases under this and grant access so that the Airtable is successfully connected. And then also a Gmail. So you're going to add a Gmail account. I've already done it, but I'll show you what the process looks like. Yep, head here and hit continue, and our Gmail is also connected, so the tools are all set. We're going to go over and add the trigger for this one, which is going to be weekly on Mondays. Say in the morning, I want to wake up and read it. So I'll put it for 8:30 a.m. and that way the last 7 reports will be read from the database, which is Airtable. When you go to the variables, you can check out that it's all customized, and just like before, we need to customize the prompt with our topics of choice. And once we've done that, we will have a working system. Every Monday, you'll get an email that looks like this. The idea is that this system can help you learn, research, and understand the pulse of the topics that you want to know most about in a more effective way, by having one daily research agent and a weekly summarizing agent. And that's it. Your double agent system is now live, automatically researching, compiling, and emailing reports week after week. Feel free to tweak the tools, prompts, and triggers to fit your workflow. All right, I'll head back to the camera now for a quick outro.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I genuinely hope that this system helps you. If you've made it this far, congratulations, and I'm excited for you to take the most advantage possible of the technology that exists. I am constantly here to prove how much AI can help your business, your life, and the world. So as always, much love, and I will see you in the next one.
So they'll say